So the reason why we're in Punta del Diablo is to, one, get some R&R. We've been moving a lot lately, so we're gonna take some time to kind of enjoy the beach, these Uruguayan beaches. And the second thing is to plan and book the rest of our South American trip. We have a few big things planned, so we need to book those, and so that's why we're here for the next 4 nights. So we're gonna enjoy the beach, get some work done, and have a lot of home cooked meals. So we like cooking a lot at home. We haven't cooked in a few months, so we're gonna do that. So you should see something. Jennifer's giving me a look because she says, I do the cooking. We'll see. I'll cook something.
Look at that cute little nose.
Jen's got some friends to help her do her vlog editing. This is a pretty nice setup. Beach, sun, pups. I think Jen's in heaven. Hey there, cutie pie. Although it might hurt getting work done. That's okay. Lunch is served.
Hey! Oh, good boy.
Yeah! My time!
We're having mashed potatoes, vegetables, and wine for dinner.
What kind of wine? Cannot. What a beautiful night sky.
What are you doing?
Travel hacking. Just kidding, we don't really travel hack. I just have a spreadsheet. And we're trying to get, we have a few flights coming up. Santiago to Cusco and the Galapagos. 3 things, 3 destinations. And we're trying to figure out the cheapest way to get to all 3. Plane, train, automobile.
Oatmeal with bananas and dulce de leche. This has been our tiny home that we've been living in for the past 3 days. There's this nice patio where I've worked one day, and when we go inside, we have the kitchen, which had everything that we needed to cook some homemade meals, and we have a couch living room where we're doing a lot of work. We're also doing a lot of work here on this standing desk. Also had bar stools, and over here we have the bathroom. The bedroom is upstairs. One of the best parts is this view outside on the balcony, and you can see the ocean and a lot of multicolored homes. It's beautiful.
Sand is so soft.
There's the sun. Bye, sun. See you tomorrow.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now.
Whoa, look at that.
A devotion
How pretty.
that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one. No one.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Camp starts tomorrow, 4 a.m.
Okay.
Let's do it. Run into it. You want to be a soldier?
You're making me mess up my shot.
Alright.